Hello, my name is Jessica Villota. Today I'm going to talk about the Security Congress of the Municipality of Aguascalientes. I will present analysis made in the safest city in the Department of Meta. Number one, the mayor as the first authority of the city must speak with the police force. They carry out operations and capture criminals. Number two, the mayor can delegate officials to bear in their speaking with the presidents of neighborhoods and crisis patrols with the neighborhoods to protect themselves from uh, criminals. Number three, trainer and employing campaigns for young people should also be implemented, reducing possible offenders. Uh, Two, he also had reinforced police and make them around through the most dangerous place. These are the most important point to keep in mind. They make Akasai a safe place. What point could you? Bye.